Are you ready to bring a little joy into your life? I'm going to teach you and Scott how to do breath of joy.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this.
Okay, so start by standing tall, your arms relaxed, and the trick is to stay a little bouncy in the knees, in the wrists, elbows and shoulders, maybe even in the neck and the head.
How about the eyebrows?
Sure. All right, so now bring your arms forward to shoulder height and then down. Inhale them out to the side to shoulder height and bring them down again. Inhale them up overhead and then exhale, drop down and then come up. Now we're going to keep a rhythm, so just follow me and do your best.
I will.
Here we go. Inhale forward, inhale to the side, inhale overhead, exhale, inhale forward, side, overhead, exhale, try a smile. Staying bouncy, forward, side, overhead, inhale, 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 exhale, 2 more. Last one. Dangle down, let your arms swing a little bit, and then let yourself come back up. Roll your shoulders back and down. Notice what you feel.
Lighter, joyful.
Tingly.
Yeah.
How about you?